Alrighty, we're putting some vinyl tile down here in the kitchen and everything, and I just wanted to demonstrate another handy use for this gadget. I get my fat butt down here. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I finally landed. And of course, this is what we're talking about. Anyway, okay, of course that cord's kind of in the way there. Now before we start, we gotta get this one situated right on top of the other one as exact as possible. Then, no matter how difficult it is forward this way. And this, we'll shove up here, like this, yeah, like that. Now, okay, without moving this one, unless it ain't right to start with, put this up there, like that. Get that paper lifted up so you get, at least get some kind of mark on that. And get a little bit of it. Get it across here, yeah. Now then. Alright, and we'll put this across here. And maybe, matter of fact, it will be a kind of a short video because I don't think the battery got a whole lot of power left in it there. I'm going to mark it. Just out of the way. And now, you can cut all the way through, but don't really need to. There's that. There will be a little residue on here, but that's not going to affect anything. It comes right off. And then, of course, this being in the way doesn't make a difference. Next we peel this stuff off like this, and that part didn't come off. I'll say one thing, this is bad gum good glue they got on the back of these things. Come on off here. There you go. And then, naturally, you gotta get this up here and get this all situated just as good as possible. Get them seams good. Oh, supposed to roll that down. I don't have a roll. That's the gist of it. Like I said, this little thing, I use that for so many things. Sound like I'm advertising, but I really ain't. It's that good a tool. Alright. Battery's probably about out, so we'll get up here. Oh, yeah. That's a job in itself. Moving that big load. Alrighty. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.